Hello, friends, and welcome to our game today, Domino Add and Compare. So what you're going to need is you're going to need at least your double six dominoes. If you want to challenge yourself, get your double nine dominoes. Double six dominoes and a big person or someone to help you play the game. Okay, so the first thing that you are going to do is take your dominoes out of your bag or wherever you're keeping them. And again, the same thing as before, we need to make sure all the dots are not showing, okay? And since we have cards, we can put them in a nice little pile, maybe. Nice little pile. And remember, in order for us to decide who goes first, you need to have you and your partner pick a domino, okay? So let's see. The first one is 4 and 5. Uh-oh. I can tell right away who is going to be the first player. Okay. However, when we're thinking about adding, we really need to think about um, better ways or more fluent strategies to add our numbers. And what I'm going to try is I already know my double for this one. So I know 2 and 2 is 4. I don't have to count 2. I can see that this is 2 right away. Okay, so thinking about this, I can look at this top one. I'm not going to have to count those because I just solved this one, didn't I? I knew that 2 and 2 was 4. So now I can, and you know what? I know that this makes the 5. So I can either add 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or I could say 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Either way works. Some of us might know that 5 and 5 is 10. And if I take one away, because there's one less here, that would be 9. Okay, so this is how we play. So this person would be the first person to go. So this first game that we're going to play, I'm going to play against students. So Mrs. Rank is going to be player 2, since I did not get the bigger number. Okay, and then students are going to be player 1. So this is what we do. Player 1 is going to record their players here. Player 2 is going to record their dominoes here. So for the first equation, player 1 gets how many is here? 3 and 4. And player 2 gets 5 and 2. Okay, so we have to solve these, correct? Okay, so let's see, I'm going to start with the bigger number and count on. So 4, 5, 6, 7. So this one is 7. And this is 5, 6, 7. What? This is also 7. So now I have a choice. My total is greater. My total is less. Our totals are equal. Which one? You are correct. Our totals are equal. So then we play again. So let's see. We have 4 and 4, that's a double. And we have 6 and 4. That's a making 10, I think. So, but I need to solve it if I have to solve it. Some of us might know that 4 and 4 make 8. Some of us might need to count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, here I think it would be best to start with the bigger number. And I'm looking and this just looks like bigger, more dots. And I know that 3 and 3 makes 6. I'm seeing 3 and 3, and I know that makes 6. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if I'm looking here, we have my total is greater. Is this one greater? My total is less. Our totals are equal. Are these two numbers equal? No. Which one is greater? Yep, it's 10. So 10 is going to go, right? Okay, so then we put these dominoes away, and this person gets this, and this person gets this. Oh boy. I know that this is 3 and 0, and I know I don't have to add anything to the 3, so I'm just going to fill that one out. But now look at this domino. I'm noticing it's a double. I'm noticing that this is a double. So let's see. I know this is 6. I've already solved that once. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What? So we have 6 and 6, 6 plus 6, and the answer was 12. Okay, so now, is this total greater? No. Is this total greater? Are they equal? They are not equal. Okay. There we go. So then we're ready to play again. Uh-oh. Okay. So I can see right here, I've already solved that 2 and 2 is 4 once. So this is 4, and this is how much? 2. So I can count on, right? 4, 5, 6. Just super easy. I'm going to check, make sure there's no dots. So we have 0, 0. And what does that equal? Does it equal 0? Okay. So now looking at these numbers, which one is greater, 6 or 0? Yep, you got it. It's 6. So we put the dominoes over and we play again. Okay, so let's see. This is 2 and 3, and this is, yep, 4 and 0. And guess what? I know that I don't even have to count. Okay, so let's see. I might be a little confused. Here, I'm going to start with the bigger number. 3, 4, 5. All right, which total is greater, 5 or 4? Yep, you got it. It's 5. And I move those aside and then I play some more. Okay, so I have 1 over here and 2. And then on this side, 4 and 1. Okay, so if I have 1, if I have 2 and I add 1 more, what is that? Yep, it's 3. Here, if I have 4 and I add 1 more, what is it? Yep, it's 5. Okay, so which total is greater, 3 or 5? It's 5, so that means my total is less. This is less, right? Okay, now we have one more. Oh, that's a double. Oh, and this is a double. Just take that one. So this side has 5 and 5. And boys and girls, we've been doing number racks for so long. What's 5 and 5? Yep, that's an easy one. That's 10. If I didn't know that, I could say 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and count on, right? I shouldn't have to count all the dots. And this is super easy. If I have 1 and 1 more, what do I have? I have 2. Okay, which total is greater, 10 or 2? Yep. Okay, so now we've played this game, so we need some more to do. It says, tell how many dominoes you and your partner each got. Okay. The one thing that I forgot to tell you, like top draw, is that the winning gets all the dominoes, right? So we can figure out how many dominoes each person got. So in this one, the equals, we each got 1, right? So you could count it. Who won in this one? Yeah, so I'm just going to do a tally mark to keep track. How about this one? Yep, they got another one. Then here, this one got 1. And this got those. And this one. And this one. So then I can go through and I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whoops. I got 7 dominoes. Let's see how many this one got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my goodness. Who won the game? I won or my partner won? Who won? No one. We tied, huh? So we could say we tied. And there you have it. Now there's a couple variations. One, you could play with your double 9s and your totals would be bigger. You can decide ahead of game who wins dominoes, the number with the least or the greatest, okay? And then you can choose that way. You'll see the digital game actually has a spinner that you can spin at the end to decide who actually won, okay? All right, have a good one. Bye.